Hi, I'm Robin, and today we're going to be planting anemone corms in preparation for spring. For zones 7 through 9, the best time to plant anemone is 6 weeks prior to the first frost. For me here in Oregon, that means now is the time to plant. For growers in zones 4 to 6, you'll want to plant a little bit later and plant your anemone in spring after your last frost. I chose the anemone varietal Mistra Milka for its soft lilac color. When these bloom, they're going to make excellent cut flowers. They're also deer resistant and a pollinator favorite, so what's not to love? Our anemone corms come in a pack of 10, with each corm producing over 10 flowers each. So we recommend succession planting. I'm going to plant some now and come back in a week or so and plant another round. That'll just vary the bloom time and keep them going all season long. The first thing you're going to want to do is soak the corms in room temperature water for about 4 to 6 hours prior to planting. When you first get them, they're going to look like small dry acorns, but about after 4 to 6 hours, this is what they start to look like. They've plumped up to about double their original size. This is going to hydrate those dormant corms to produce stronger roots and really encourage growth once you get them in the ground. So once they're nice and hydrated, you're going to choose a spot in your garden that gets about full sun to partial shade, and we're going to go 2 to 3 inches deep, spaced about 3 to 6 inches apart. So I'm going to pour the water out of these. Take these corms. If you have one of our planters, I highly recommend it. Makes the job so much easier. And we're going to go about 2 to 3 inches deep. All the dirt's in there still. And I'm just going to punch the dirt right out. Give about 6 inches. And do it again right here. Lightly cover them with soil and water after planting to keep the soil moist. It's that easy. Come spring, you're going to be rewarded with gorgeous cut flowers. Shop our anemone and other spring bulbs at heirloomroses.com.